Here the aircraft are parked up during this pandemic. Delta had a fleet that operates engine. Boeing 717, Boeing 737, Boeing 757, Boeing 767, a Boeing 777. Got the Airbus A390, A320, A331, A330, and the A350 parked up, and also the Ember 137, and also the Ember 135 and Ember 130 parked up in the fleet. Delta has an aircraft parked at this time during this virus spreading along the aviation industry. Different due to the virus is spreading. Delta had grounded aircraft fleet types. And due to the virus is spreading along the aviation industry, so Delta had to dispense almost all most sites due to the impact of virus spreading. So Delta had a fleet grounded at some airports due to the virus, due to the COVID-19 pandemic spreading along the aviation industry. TV virus spreading here. Under 5 with. So this time, Delta cracked the aircraft this time had to suspend operations. And also the A330neo is parked up due to this time, due to the virus is spreading. So Delta had the A330neo parked up as well. Due to the virus spread. So Delta had parked up. Delta had parked up. So parked up at aircraft of. Everybody parked up. Has parked up at 85 due to this. So Delta had officially grounded aircraft. Look at 85 200 has parked up at Airbus A330 200. Old 85. Delta had officially parked there due to this virus. Delta parked up the aircraft due to this time of COVID-19 spreading along the aviation industry all around the world. Boeing 777 and it is grounded due to the virus is spreading. And also stalled. The Delta is a American airline. Delta had all the fleet grounded. Delta and also parked up at lots of aircraft during this time of COVID-19 spreading along the aviation industry all around the world. Delta had grounded a fleet in 5 locations: New York, Dallas TX, Seattle Airport, and more United States airports. Delta had officially parked the aircraft due to this virus is spreading the aviation industry around the world. Due to this virus is spreading. Due to this virus is spreading along the aviation industry. The Delta had parked the aircraft due to this time of COVID-19 spreading along the aviation industry and all around the world. So, Delta Airlines had officially parked the aircraft to the time of COVID-19 sprung on the aviation industry all around the world. Delta had parked the aircraft to this virus is spreading across being stored. Delta Airlines had officially grounded the aircraft to this virus is spreading along the aviation industry. Delta Airlines had officially grounded the aircraft to this virus spreading. This virus is spreading along the aviation industry. Delta Airlines had officially grounded the aircraft. This virus is spreading. This virus is spreading. Delta officially parked the aircraft to the COVID-19 spreading along the aviation industry. The virus is spreading along the aviation industry. Industry. Delta officially parked the aircraft to the virus is spreading along the aviation industry. All around the world, parked up an aircraft. Delta parked the aircraft.
Lucas, you were so good at cheating today with your salami and your cheese.
It's spreading along aviation industry and also all around the world. So that's it. And thank you for watching.